pi by 2 plus 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos x. What is distance formula? So P1, P3 is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematics Question Paper Revision. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class, we have discussed regarding Part A, Part B, Part C and Part D. Now today I am going to discuss regarding very important and easiest part, that is Part E. So that is in first PUC Mathematics, we have discussed 4 parts. Now today I am going to discuss regarding Part E, that is Part E, last part. So this is for 10 marks. So here there are internal choice question for this. One 6 marks question, another one is 4 marks question. For 6 mark question there is an internal choice. Similarly for 4 marks, one internal choice question. So this is very important. You may expect this question for your final examination. What is the problem given? This is 6 marker question. So prove, yes, answer any one of the following. So answer any one, either this or this. Prove geometrically that cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, or derive the equation of ellipse in the standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So you can answer first or the second, whichever easy you can answer it. So each carries 6 marks question. So this is a 6 marker question, right? Now let us discuss both the questions. The first one, prove geometrically cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now, so the solution for this, consider a unit circle. This is a circle. Consider an unit circle. So, consider a unit circle. Consider a unit circle with center at the origin. O is the center of the circle. O is the center. Then, let angle P1 O, P4 is equal to x. This angle P1 O, angle P1 O, P4 is equal to x. P1 O, P4 is equal to x, and similarly P1 O, P2 is equal to y. So P1, this is O, again P1 O and P2, this is equal to y. This angle, this is equal to y. So angle P1 O, P4 is equal to x. Similarly P1 O, P2 is equal to y, this angle, right? So therefore angle P4O, P2 is equal to x plus y, and similarly P4O, P3 is equal to minus y. And now join these two, P1, P3 and P2, P4. Join P1 and P3. Join P1 and P3. Similarly P2 and P4. So if you join P1 and P3, and similarly join these two, P2 and P4. So join these two, P1 and P4, P3, sorry, join P1 and P3, and similarly join these two, that is P2 and P4. Join these two. So then, so the coordinates of the point P1, P2, P3 and P4 are given by P1 is equal to cos x sin x, and similarly P2 is equal to cos of x plus y into sin of x plus y, and P3 is equal to cos of minus y and sin of minus y, and P4 is equal to 1, 0. Since the triangles P1O P3 and P2O P4 are concurrent triangles, so therefore the distance from P1 to P3, P1 P3 is also equal to P2 P4. So the distance from P1 P3 is equal to P2 P4. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Very simple. Consider the unit circle with center as the origin, and let the angle P1O P4 is equal to x, and similarly P1O P2 is equal to y. So therefore P4O P2 is equal to x plus y, and P4O P3 is equal to minus y. Now join P1 P3 and P2 P4. Then the coordinates of the point P1 P2 P3 P4 are given by P1 cos x sin x. Similarly P2 is cos x plus y in comma sin x plus y, and P3 is equal to cos of minus y into sin of minus y, and P4 is equal to 1 comma 0. Since the triangle P1O P3 and P2O P4 are concurrent, so therefore P1 P3 is equal to P2 P4. So here, since therefore the coordinates of P1 is cos x sin x, and similarly the coordinates of P2 is cos of x plus y and sin of x plus y, and coordinates of P3 is equal to cos of minus y and sin of minus y, and P4 is equal to 1 comma 0. This is the construction part. Now, since P1 P3 is equal to P2 P4, just find the distance between P1 and P3. What is P1? So P1 is equal to cos x sin x, and P3 is equal to cos of x, cos of minus y and sin of minus y. So apply the distance formula for these two. Similarly, apply the distance formula for P2 and P4. P2 cos x plus y sin x plus y, and 1 comma 0. So what we are going to get? So by distance formula, P1 P2 whole square is equal to, what is distance formula? So P1 P3 is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Squaring on both sides, P1 P3 whole square is equal to square root gets cancelled. We will get cos x minus cos of minus y whole square plus sin x minus sin of minus y whole square. So minus, since you know cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, this becomes cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x sin of minus theta, since sin of minus y is equal to minus sin y, and whereas cos of minus y is equal to plus cos y itself. So this becomes minus into plus, it is minus, and minus becomes plus. So cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now a square cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin a plus b whole square, sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Now group the terms which containing x and y separately. So we have cos square x plus sin square x, since cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Similarly, cos square y plus sin square y, cos square y plus sin square y, that is also equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, what we will get? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 minus, what is left over is 2 cos x cos y and 2 sin x sin y. You can take 2 common factor. So what we will get? Cos x cos y multiplied by negative sign minus sin x sin y. P1 P3 whole square is equal to, let us represent this. So therefore P1 and P3 whole square is equal to 2 minus 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now similarly, find out the value of P2 P4 whole square. Just apply the distance formula for P2 and P4. What is P2? So P2 and P4. What we have? P2 is equal to cos x plus y sin x plus y. P4 is equal to 1 comma 0. So first the distance formula for these two, cos x minus y, cos x sin x cos y, cos of minus y sin of minus y. So just this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now for the second part, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So if you apply the distance formula, so 1 minus of cos x plus y whole square plus 0 minus of sin x plus y whole square. So that's equal to 1 minus cos x plus y whole square plus 0 minus sin x plus y whole square. So 1 minus, just apply a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square minus 2 cos x plus y into 1 is 2 cos x plus y plus cos square x plus y, 0 minus square is plus sin square x plus y. So cos square x plus y plus sin square x plus y is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So again 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos x plus y. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is equal to 2 minus 2 cos x plus y. Let us represent this as equation number 2. So what is equation 1? 2 minus 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Equation number 2 is 2 minus 2 times cos of x plus y. Right. Now just what is equation number 1? From 1 and 2, from 1, what is equation number 1? So that is from 1 and 2 we have P1 P3 whole square is equal to P2 P4 P2 P4 whole square. Now from 1 and 2, P1 P3 whole square is equal to P2 P4 whole square. Now what is equation number 1? So P1 P3 whole square is 2 minus 2 times cos x cos y cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to P2 P4 whole square is 2 minus 2 times cos of x plus y. Okay, cos of x plus y. Now just transfer everything to the left hand side. This becomes 2 minus 2 times cos x cos y minus sin x sin y minus 2 times minus and minus becomes plus 2 times cos of x plus y is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. What we have? 2 times cos x plus y is equal to, transfer this becomes plus, minus becomes plus 2 times cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Just this sign will change. So 2 gets cancelled, divide by 2. So therefore we can write cos of x plus y is equal to 2 gets cancelled, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. That's all. So this is how we are going to derive cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Right, that's all. So this is 6 marks. Sometimes they may ask, what is the value of sin pi by 2 plus x? So sin pi by 2 plus, so pi by 2 plus 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos x. That's it. Cos x. Okay, that's it. Now sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x. So this is for 1 mark. Now move on to the second part. Derive the equation of the ellipse in the standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now second one, to prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is to be proved. Or second internal choice question. This is an equation of ellipse in the standard form. Now let us consider, let f1 and f1 and f2, let f1 and f2, f1 minus c comma 0, f2 c comma 0, f1 and f2 be the foci and O is the center of the center. Let f1 and f2 are the foci and O is the center. The line through f1 O f2, this is O, f1 O f2 is called as the x-axis and perpendicular to f1 O f2 is y-axis. This is y-axis. So f1 O f2 is x-axis and perpendicular to this along C is y-axis. So the line through O perpendicular to the x-axis be the y-axis. Therefore the coordinates of f1 is minus c comma 0 and coordinate of f2 is c comma 0 respectively. So f1 is minus c comma 0 and f2 is c comma 0. The coordinates of f1 and f2 the foci. Now let px comma y be any point on the ellipse such that the distance from pf1 plus pf2 is equal to 2 times a. So that is, let px comma y be any point on the ellipse such that pf1 plus pf2 is equal to 2a. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now by distance formula find out pf1. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x minus of minus x plus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Similarly, what is pf2? X minus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So by distance formula, x plus c whole square plus y square plus x minus c whole square plus y square is equal to 2a, that is pf1 plus pf2. So x plus c whole square plus y square is equal to, transfer this to the right hand side, 2a minus x minus c whole square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides, square root gets cancelled. X plus c whole square plus y square is equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2 times 2 into 2 is 4a into x minus c plus x minus c whole square plus y square. So, x plus c whole square plus y square is equal to 2a whole square plus b square, square root gets cancelled, x minus c whole square plus y square minus 2ab, 2 into 2 is 4a into x minus c whole square plus y square. Now, this is on simplification. If you simplify, just apply a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and equal the terms on one side, cancel the terms which gets cancelled, then you are going to get this x minus c whole square plus y square is equal to a minus c by a into x. So, x minus c whole square plus y square is equal to a minus c by ax whole square by simplification, after simplification. Now, squaring on both sides, if you square this on both sides, square square root gets cancelled, x minus c whole square plus y square is equal to just this is a minus c by a into x whole square. Simplify this. If you simplify, a square plus b square minus 2cx plus y square, again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2a into c by a into x. So, a gets cancelled. So, transfer this to the left hand side. This becomes x square plus x square plus c square plus 2cx plus y square, and this becomes minus a square minus a square, and this becomes plus 2cx is equal to c square by a square into x square. Now, what happens? So, here this plus 2cx and minus 2cx gets cancelled. We have x square plus c square plus y square plus minus a square is equal to this. Simplify this. After simplifying, we are going to get the equation as x square by a square plus y square divided by a square minus c square is equal to 1. Since b square is equal to a square minus c square, so therefore we are going to get the equation as x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So therefore, hence the standard equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is also very important for the point of examination. Hope you followed. These two are very important sure questions. Now, move on to the 4 marker question, the last question in this unit, that is part E. Find the sum of the sequence 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 4, 7, etc. to n terms, or find the derivative of x raised to 5 minus cos x divided by sin x with respect to x. Now, this is for 4 markers. So, this is a 4 marker question. Now, let us discuss the first one. So, what is given? What is to find the sum of 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 4 7s, etc. Right. Now, this is not a geometrical progression, but we can relate it to a GP by writing the terms as Sn is equal to 7 plus 7 7 plus 7 7 plus 4 7, etc. to n terms. Now, just take 7 common factor here. If we take 7 out, what happens? 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 1 plus etc. to n terms, right? Now just multiply and divide by 9. If you multiply and divide by 9, multiply and divide by 9. What happens if you multiply by 9? You will get 9 9 9 9 9 999 4 9s, etc. Divided by 9 means you will get the same stuff. So therefore, 7 by 9 into 9 plus 9 9 plus 999 plus 4 9. So just multiply and divide by 9. So 7 by 9 as it is, 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. The intention is to convert these terms into multiples of 10, that's all. So 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, 99 can be written as 100 minus 1, that is 10 square minus 1, 999, 1000 minus 1 is 999, that is 10 cube minus 1, and 9,999 can be written as 10,000 minus 1, that is 10 to the power of 4 minus 1, etc. to n terms. So 10 minus 1, 10 square minus 1, 10 cube minus 1 plus 10 to the power of 4 minus 1. Now just equate the terms containing powers of 10 on one side. So therefore this can be written as 7 by 9 into 10, 10. This is equal to 7 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 to the power of 4 etc. plus 10 10 squared etc. minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. to n terms. So, right. So, this is an infinite GP. The nth term of an infinite GP is equal to nth term Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Right, nth term of a GP. Sorry, this is a geometrical progression. The nth term of a GP is Sn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is a? A is the first term. 10 into a is equal to first term, that is 10 into r is also 10 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 is 9. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, 7 by 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 minus 1 are nothing but there are n terms. So, 7 by 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus n. So, 7 by 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. So, therefore, the sum of n terms of the given sequence is Sn is equal to 7 divided by 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. This is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, move on to the next question, that is the internal choice question, or find the derivative of x raised to 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. So, this is also for a 4 mark. This is also a 4 marker question. So, let us write let y is equal to x to the power of 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. Now, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the power of 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. So, this is of the form u by v. So, denominator sin x into differentiation of numerator d by dx of x raised to 5 minus cos x minus numerator x raised to 5 minus cos x into d by dx of denominator sin x divided by denominator square sin x whole the square. Just apply u by v formula. Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. So, therefore, the required answer dy by dx is equal to sin x as it is. Okay. Now, differentiation of x raised to 5 is 5x to the power of 4 minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus and minus becomes plus sin x minus, this is as it is, x raised to 5 minus cos x into differentiation of sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x whole divided by the denominator square, that is nothing but sin square x. That's it. If you want, you can multiply and further simplify or stop here itself. That's it. So, this is of the form u by v, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. So, differentiation of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4 minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus plus, this is as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So, the required answer is sin x into 5x to the power of 4 plus sin x minus x raised to 4 minus cos x into cos x. If you want, you can multiply and put sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So, you will get the answer, but this is enough, I think. So, hope you followed. So, these are the problems related to part E, that is 6 and 4. So, you may expect definite questions from this, either a derivation of cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and equation of ellipse in the standard form, and derivative of this using u by v method. That's all. Hope you followed. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.